Hello YouTube, Tech is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix last USB device you connected to this computer malfunctioned and Windows does not recognize it. So if you are facing this problem on this video, we are going to see 4 solutions, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution for this video will be checking the power options for your USB on the power section. So in order to do that, go here and click the search icon. Then type here control panel. Here the control panel, then open it. So after the control panel opened, if you find the list is like this, well done. If you're not, then go here view by and select the arrow and make it on large icon. So after that, you will find here power options. So select the power options. So here on the left side, you will find here change when the computer sleeps option. So select that. Then after that, you will find here change advanced power setting. And on this list, you will find USB settings. So click on the plus sign. Then after that, you will find here use selective suspend setting. So click again the plus sign and you will find a setting. So make sure it's disabled. So select this and select disabled. And if you are using a laptop, you will find the option for battery and plugged in option of this enabled and disabled option. So make sure you change both of them to disabled, and after that select here apply and click here OK. Then after that close your power setting and check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still continuing, then the second solution for this video will be updating the USB root. So in order to do that, again go here to the bottom, click the search icon and type here device manager. Here the device manager, then open it. So after the device manager open, then scroll down and you will find here universal serial bus controller. So click this arrow and you will find here different USB options. If you find USB generic USB, well done. If you cannot find generic USB, just click here the USB root hub and right click on it and select update driver. Then after that, click here browse my computer for drivers. Then select, let me pick from the list of available driver on the computer. Then select this one and click next. Then it will start installing the driver. So wait patiently until the installation will be completed. Here Windows successfully updated your driver. Then close this one and close the device manager and restart your computer. So after the restart, make sure the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still continuing, then the search solution will be again go click here the search icon and type here, or you'll find it the device manager, open it. So after the device manager open, go here to the universal serial bus, and if you find like this yellow exclamation marks on the universal serial bus, then right click on it and uninstall the device. Only on the drivers that you find this yellow exclamation. Just if you find it here under the universal serial bus controllers, right click on it and select uninstall device. So after you uninstall it, then restart your computer. It will automatically reinstall it back. So after you do this, if the problem again continues, then the final solution for this video will be running a hardware troubleshoot. So in order to do that, again go here, click the search icon and type here run. Here the run app, select that, and after you find it here, we have a command we are going to use. So I'll put it under the description box of this video. So you can copy and paste it here and click here OK. So it will show you the hardware troubleshooting option. So select here next then it will start detecting the problem. So wait patiently. So here it will give you different options, which is the SAM bus, PCI memory controller. So select from the lists here and continue to fix your problem. If it is this one, select this one. If it is this one, or select. If you cannot find, I don't see my device list, and click here next, then it will give you the other options. So it's scanning for hardware change, so wait patiently. So here restart your PC to finish install the driver and update. So apply this fix and restart your PC. So these are the solutions to fix this problem, and if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Touch the account.